Alright people, so it looks like we have some worthwhile upgrades coming from the A53 to the A54 5G. Let's go ahead and talk about those. So I get this article from sammobile.com. If you guys want to read this on your own time, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But as you guys can see, it says the Galaxy A54 5G will bring back Wi-Fi 6, FCC documents confirm. The Galaxy A54 5G might be Samsung's best mid-range phone in the series for 2023. Rumors say there may not be a Galaxy A74 in the works for this year. I'm sure there isn't going to be. And sure enough, we haven't heard anything on this front lately, but the Galaxy A54 5G is as real as an unannounced phone can be, and only an official launch separates it from prospective buyers. The phone recently passed through the FCC, and the documents confirm at least one worthwhile upgrade over the predecessor. The phone popped up at the FCC carrying model number SM-A54-6E, confirming dual SIM capabilities. As usual, the FCC doesn't go into details concerning most internal hardware, but the documents have revealed a couple of interesting tidbits, including the use of a 25-watt charger, which seems to reconfirm that the Galaxy A54 5G has 25-watt charging capabilities for its seemingly larger 5100 milliamp battery. Now let me know what you think in the comment section down below, but I think 25 watts is more than enough for this phone. I know some people were wanting 40 or something like that, but that's around the same that the flagship devices have. But let me know what you guys think. I think 25 watt is enough. I think that's the base. I think that's what it should be. So let me know. Even though the Galaxy A52s 5G, some of your guys' favorite phones, had Wi-Fi 6 connectivity thanks to the Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset, the Galaxy A53 5G that followed 6 months later did not, because it featured the Exynos 1280. Thankfully, the recent FCC application confirms that the upcoming Galaxy A54 5G will bring back Wi-Fi 6 connectivity to the beloved A50 series. And in case you're wondering, online benchmarks indicate that the Galaxy A54 5G is powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, which is a successor to the 1280 series, boasting improved performance and evidently better connectivity features. Now, I don't know if this is going to be the chipset for the United States of America. It may be, but I'm not going to hold my breath for this, because obviously we saw an Exynos chipset on even the A14, and then we got kicked back with a MediaTek processor. So hopefully it's not a MediaTek processor, but there are some chip shortages right now, and I'm interested to see what the United States is going to get. If you guys can guess, let me know your best guess in the comment section down below. At this rate, the Galaxy A54 5G should hit the market relatively soon, but most likely not sooner than the Galaxy S23 flagship series will. The latter is scheduled for February 1 unveiling, and Samsung is accepting online reservations. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A54 5G may hit the market in March, assuming that Samsung will follow a 12-month launch schedule for the A53 sequel. And of course, these are the certifications from the FCC down here. I'll just post a little picture, as you guys can see, our Wi-Fi 6 certification that I know some of you were asking about and wanted anyway, so you got your wish. But I don't think it's going to be March. The last few years it was March. I think it's going to be a little bit earlier this year, though. I think they've taken the A series, especially the A50 series in particular, way more serious than any of the other devices that they have, even the S-Line. The S-Line is like the flagship version of your phone, or the flagship car, the Corvette you put at like a Chevrolet dealership, and then you have all the other cars that sell mostly, but that's the eye candy that, you know, gets to race each year. So I know they're taking the A54 more seriously now, since all of the Samsung devices are the best-selling phones each year for the last 4 or 5 years now. So I'm assuming it's going to be released on the same day as the S-series devices. So far, it looks like a pretty decent upgrade. I don't think it's going to be enough to upgrade from the A53. Some of you may feel that way, but until we see the full specifications, I do my full review on all of that, we won't know. So subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hopefully this news helped you guys out. This just released, I believe, a day ago. I think the article was like 22 hours ago. So super excited about this phone still. Let me know your thoughts. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace out, Tech Gang.